we all agree, we research, those who are researching, we all agree social media is not monolithic. There are different kinds of social media, different effects. But the asynchronous stuff has very little value. And so the constant, like someone posts something and then you like it or you comment on it, it doesn't bring you together. It encourages everyone to display. It turns kids into brand managers. And if you're constantly trying to manage your brand, you're not connecting. You're not really bonding with other kids. Instagram, the main harm that I see is that Instagram causes chronic social comparison, especially for girls, especially about face and body. Instagram, and the data shows this, the correlational studies clearly show girls and Instagram, depression, anxiety, that's a much tighter correlation than anything else. So I would urge everybody, don't let your daughters or don't let anybody go on Instagram until they're an adult. But the outcome there is depression, anxiety from chronic self-comparison. There's other things going on with that. Snapchat, I don't think causes depression, anxiety. Snapchat connects you to strangers who are trying to extort you, sell you drugs, and even sell you guns. So Snapchat, it doesn't show up. I don't think it's going to really show up as like a cause of depression, anxiety, except that so many horrible, horrible things happen to kids on there. The cyberbullying, the sextortion. Snapchat, we know from memos that have come out as states are suing them, Snapchat gets 10,000 reports of sextortion from American kids. This is just American Gen Z. 10,000. Not each year, each month. Wow. Every month. Wow. 10,000. And that's just the ones that are reported to them. The great majority are not reported to them. So you invent an app that has disappearing pictures. Students feel safer, young people feel safer sending a nude of themselves. It turns out it's not a beautiful young woman wanting to flirt with you. It's a sextortion ring located somewhere in West Africa. And now if you don't pay them right away, they will send your photo out to everyone in your contacts. And a lot of boys kill themselves because millions are getting sextorted every year. And hundreds or dozens at least kill themselves because of this. That's not mistaking correlation for causation. Their parents were not wrong that Snapchat is what killed their kid. So again, you got Instagram, depression, anxiety in girls. Snapchat, dangerous activities, interacting with strangers that ruins your life, even if it's fun most of the time. And then we got TikTok. And what I'm coming to see is that TikTok is so bad for your attention and so addictive, I think nobody should use it. Certainly no one under 18 should use it. It's a huge time waster, but it doesn't just waste your time. It changes your brain because now you need that quick stimulation. So I'm really coming to see TikTok is the worst of the worst. I think nobody should be on it.